Hello everybody, today I want to present you a property in Panajachel. It's like a business opportunity with bungalows and a main house, so check it out.
So I'm Armand Moissy, your real estate agent expert in Lake Atitlan, Guatemala.
First of all, this property has very well fenced and there's a big gate to enter. It is a big parking space for several cars. Iron gate, sliding iron gate. It's a 1200 square meter property and this is a parking area. The total construction is 650 square meter. And there is a bungalow. Also, you have to take in consideration that the bungalows are made up to have a second floor. So it's 6 bungalows of 94 square meter, plus one little one which can be used as the office as a 32 square meter, and a house in the back of 54 square meter. There's a parking for 6 cars. Big garden. So each bungalows are interesting because they have a small bathroom, a 3-feature bathroom, and it has a space for a little kitchenette and dining and a bedroom. Right now, I think it should have some remodelation because it's a little bit not so the way I would use it, but it's great if you would do like a hub for digital nomad and live in the back of the property in the house. So you could have a 6-unit renting and have a big garden in the middle. It's a private area in a good neighborhood. It's all fenced. It's title, water from the village, and this is a main house in the back which has bedroom, bathroom and kitchen, and behind the main house there is also a big garden where you can put more bungalows or eventually make an own garden and grow your own vegetable. So that's a space in the back, all fenced, very nice. So it's titled property, it's very interesting, it's well located, and if you want to retire in one place and live in the other one and use the income from the other one, it's perfect. Look at this beautiful garden, so check it out. So see you for the next video. Remember to click, like it, share it and put a comment. See you soon. So it's a great property for income making, and please make sure to contact me, and hasta la próxima.